So before we get into today's video, I know the question that you guys have been asking a lot in the comments, and I don't know why you guys are asking me, but everybody's asking what is my thoughts on Astroworld. And honestly, I don't really have any thoughts for it. It was pretty cool. I like Sicko Mode. There's a couple other tracks on there that I like. Again, I'm not really familiar with Travis Scott as like an artist, but his stuff is growing on me. I know a lot of you guys listen to him, and yeah, he's not bad. He's pretty cool, and some of the music sounded really good. Yeah. Anyway, let's get that out of the way and not talk about it. Please do not ask me in the comments below what I think about Astroworld. It was good, and that's about it. Anyway, let's talk about Travis Scott's Air Force One lows in that sale colorway. We're going to be going over resale predictions, about drop dates, and all of that good stuff, so stay tuned. It's coming up next. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another resale prediction video. In this resale prediction video, we're going to be talking about the Travis Scott Air Force One lows in that sale colorway. These shoes will be dropping on Sneakers app on August 10th for a retail price point of $150, and it will be through the draw program, which is not very good in my opinion. For that last video with the off-white Prestos, we kind of just talked about shock drops and, you know, releases like that. And now that we had that off-white Presto and white do a draw format rather than the shock drops, I kind of like the shock drop better. Draw format, I feel like I've won maybe once in the last 2 years, so it's pretty flawed. This drop is going to be a US drop only, so that is pretty much the only place you can get it. There are some stockists like I think Foot Action or Foot Lockers or things like that. We'll be dropping these shoes in their stores as well. So check your local stores to see if they're going to be getting pairs in. And honestly, I think there's going to be a drop on Travis Scott's like website as well. They did that for the Cactus Jack 4s, and I'm pretty certain that they're going to do it for the Air Force One sales as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned on there. So what's unique about this shoe is that we have kind of a lot of data to go about figuring out the resale prediction of this shoe. This is actually going to be the third Travis Scott release with Nike brand. He obviously did that first colorway for the Air Force One low, which was like more of a white canvas kind of thing. And then more recently, he had the Cactus Jack Jordan 4 collab, which it was a pretty alright shoe. But yeah, now we're all the way at the sale, and it's going to be his third time around. The Air Force One low in that white colorway is currently being sold on StockX for about $550. So that would be like a take back of $500, which is great resale value. Unfortunately, the sale is nothing like that at all. But before we get to that, the Cactus Jack 4 also gives us good insight into what the resale could be. Those shoes retail for $250, and now they're selling for about, for most sizes, about $350, so not much over retail, which is kind of surprising considering Travis Scott is a pretty big name in the industry right now, and the shoes were pretty unique. So I think it's going to be more or less the same for this Air Force One low in that sale colorway. I think it's not going to be anywhere near that level of like that OG white colorway, but it's going to be pretty high up there still. Like I said, they're going to be retailing for about $150, and they're actually trending right now on StockX for about $300. So that would be a take back of about $260 to $270. So it's only $110 over retail for right now. And I think that once the market gets flooded with these things, it's going to go down even more. So my resale prediction for this shoe is actually going to be about $250 to $280 is what you'll see on the app. But honestly, you're going to get a take back of like $230 to $250 or something like that. So that's only about $80 to $100 over retail, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it's still kind of a lot. So I think it's still worth a cop in my opinion. Obviously, these shoes are going to go up in value over time the longer you hold them. But for right now, they're not trending in the right direction, which is kind of insane considering Astroworld was like super hyped and people wanted it for so long. He drops the shoes like a week later, and then they're like already dying in resale, and they haven't even fully released yet. I can think it's only going to go down from here. No idea why. It's still a nice colorway, and honestly, I think that the sale Air Force One low is actually the best one out of the three in terms of like something that I would actually wear. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying to cop on August 10th. Hope all of you guys catch that W as well. But if you guys don't and you guys are looking to pick up a pair, at least resale value won't be crazy expensive, and you can get the shoe you want for probably less than $300. So good luck on that drop, and if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit that like button down below if you guys want to see more resale prediction videos for more hype shoes that come out later on. But anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha.
Shoots!